Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. Today we're gonna be learning how to draw Horton from Horton Here's a Who. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with.
Let's begin by making one curved line at the top of the page. Awesome. Now let's move directly below the curved line that we just made. This will be the trunk of Horton. Fantastic! Now slightly to the right of the trunk that we just made, we're going to begin to make Horton have a smile. Do you remember that big first curved line that we previously made? Well, we're going to go back to that curved line and we will go directly below. We're going to add two small curved lines. These lines will represent the facial expression on Horton's face. Next up, let's add some hair to the top of the head. We'll learn how to draw hub crew. I must say, this is coming along very well. Now let's move to the left side of the face. We're going to begin to make the first ear of Horton. Great job! Now let's move over to the right hand side and we're going to do the same thing that we just did on the left. Now let's just finish this one curved line. Awesome. Now let's move into the face of Horton and we're going to begin to make the eyes as well as eyebrows. This is a really awesome start. Now let's move directly below the head and we're going to begin to make the first two legs of Horton. On each foot, we're going to make two upside down U-like shapes. These will be Horton's toenails. Now let's take it on over to the right hand side. We're going to make one more leg and foot for Horton. You and I will make one small line connecting the two legs that we previously made. And then we're going to move over back to the right hand side and we're going to begin to make Horton's tail. Now, last but not least, let's go ahead and add some minor detail to the body of Horton. This is How to Draw Horton. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now it's ready for dance party color time.